friends, this is B and welcome back to my channel. Today is a fun video and I'm going to start a series called Stationery Empties. For now, I'm thinking of doing this every year or semi-annually. You may have seen me share some unboxing or haul videos in the past, but this time we're taking a different approach and checking what we've finished and have a bit of a review on whether a repurchase will happen or if we move to something else. It's also a great way of utilizing what we have before we do add to cart and checkout. So I have a bag here of Stationery Empties and it looks a lot, but I started this one around the last quarter of 2021. And do note that this does not include all the stationaries that I've used because there are times that I put them straight in the recycle bin. So I'll be sharing with you all of these items. Let's get started. So the first set of pages, these belongs to a sticker book called So Many Planner Stickers. So you've got the design of the sticker, then the back tells you what type of sticker that is. I still have a few pages left on that one, and because I'm not gonna use them anymore, I'll be putting that in a public book stand, which is similar to the ones I saw in a few train stations here in KL, Malaysia, which is called Books on the Move. And what that is there's just like a small stand in a public area and there are random books placed in there. Anybody can pick that up. The next set of empties are from Hitotoki, and these are big stickers, and this one is like a mystery sticker where it actually depends on what theme you have in here. So like for this one, for example, these are like animals, and then a bonus sticker will be located on this side. Now these type of stickers are thin ones, so it occupies like thin layer, so it will not bulk up your journal that much. I will buy these again if they come up with new designs. Next is a set of masking seal sheet stickers. That's a mouthful. And these are all from Mizutama. So it is similar to this one, but the material is a little bit different. It's also a thin type of sticker, and if you enjoy food or dessert stickers, you will enjoy these. Next, we have random stickers. So these are the ones that looks like, and I can't remember where these were from, but these were either gifted to me by my friends or from stationery shop as freebies. Then we have Suatelier. So these are easily recognizable because you have that branding, and then typically that's how it looks like from the back. And the stickers that they have tends to be on the hard side. What I mean by that is, for example, you've got these two pieces. This is softer, like it's really flexible, and then this one is a bit stiff. That's what their stickers are typically made of. And even though it's made of that type of material, it is still thin, easy to remove, and for the most part, they make colorful small stickers. So this one is an easy repurchase for me. Next are empties from MU paper. So I've actually segregated it into different types, and usually when you buy these, it's usually like that. And this is a different type of sticker, and it is pressure activated, so it was hard for me to finish because of that type, although they do a ton of flowers or leaf designs, and it's similar to the ones here from Mizutama and then the Hitotoki one, where it is a very thin layer because it's pressure activated. However, because of that style of application of that sticker, I haven't repurchased yet. So I just pretty much finished all that I have, and I think the only time that I will buy again is if there's a design that I want badly. Then we have stickers from local makers here in Malaysia, like these ones. Like this is from Black Milk Project. This one I think is from Max. Can't remember the full name, but this was a Ghibli Totoro one. And then from Artsy JD, Matcha Desserts. And then the other three are from Stickerific. Next is Hobonichi. So I only have two. This is from a discovery sale that they did previously. It was a freebie. And then this one is from their 2022 official Techo guidebook. So if you own one of those, you have this one. The next two are from Midori and then Mindwave. So these are the ones that I've been buying recently, and these are not the only ones that I actually finished because I've already sent them for recycling. And anytime there's new design or collaboration, for the most part, it's usually Mindwave who releases, like, I think every month or every quarter, and it's hard to resist the designs. Oh, I also forget to mention, I just have like remaining cutouts of sticker flakes that I purchased from Stickerific previously. Next is Choi Plus, and this is from Kokuyo. So it is similar to like Kita tapes, and I use this one as like this. So I use this like tabs on my Hobonichi previously. Then we've got 3 empties of Kita tapes. So similar format, but it's this style. And I still have a few more Kita tapes in my sticker collection. I will repurchase them, but I'll have to finish them first. The next one is an empty Kokuyo dot liner. So that's how it looks like. You can actually buy refills depending on the size of the dot liner that you own. So you can just continue using what you have and just buy refills. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 empty rolls of washi or PET tapes. So they are from Bande MT, Loy Design, and then La Dolce Vita. Next are different designs of Deco Rush. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 8 of them. And then these 5 is in collaboration with Mizutama. And then these 2 are part of the regular line. So if you have shopped from Hobonichi, from their lineup for the accessories for the 2023, they have a collaboration with Deco Rush as well. So it's safe to say I repurchased. Then we have refills, empty ones from Pilot. So these are friction, for friction pens. And then last but not the least, we have a pen. Yes, you heard me right. And to be specific, just by looking at the design alone, you can tell that this is from Sakura Pigma Micron. And because the writings have rubbed off even from the top portion, I can't confirm if this is a 0.3 or a 0.5. So it's completely empty. So when I try to, like, there's still a few bits coming out, but you can't make a sentence out of it anymore. So I finished one. There you have it. This is my first amongst the next series that I'll be making for Stationery Empties. If you have any questions, any feedback, feel free to comment down below. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.